Hi, my name is Zachary Angela, and I was going to go over how to contribute to the Contribute project. Sort of in a, well, as much as I can do another user way. Basically, the first thing I did was I download JitKraken. Just because it makes things a lot easier. They have them for Windows and Linux and Mac and everything. Once you have that downloaded, I open it up, and first thing you want to do is go, and I'll have this link in the video, is go to this contribute. So you want to do clone a repo, and so you create, the folder that you want it to be in. Let's say contribute test. Okay, use that, and then URL is that GitHub URL. So that would be right here. And do clone repo. Hopefully, with your user, you don't have to do some kind of setup with it. You may have to with cloning the repo or having access to it or whatever. Let me know if you have trouble. There may have to be some kind of user adding thing, because the thing is, when I make a new user in a system, it automatically gets to be kind of like the same user as my main user, so it's sort of hard for me to show you. But if somehow it works out, you do clone repo, you do open now, and this is sort of goes through all the commands that you can do with it and everything. So now you want to open up your VS Code, open that folder, that would be contribute test, contribute, open it. Okay, it's open, and let's say you want to add a command. So in the last video I showed you how to install the Cobra. Once that's all done, you do Cobra add, say, second, and that will create another command second. And this is basically what runs. All this stuff is just like documentational stuff. To run it, you do go run main.go and then the command, which is second, that we just made. There you go, second is called. Now let's say you're done with your code. You want to actually push it up. Again, it might be different for you. I don't know if I have to add you to the project. I could have sworn I made it public, but if you have trouble, let me know. But right here is you would, make your commit message, added second, stage the changes, commit the changes, and then do a branch. Let's say second. Okay, and then push that. And that will hopefully make a new branch. Second right here. And then I can kind of view it and see what was changed, sorta. Probably want to create a pull request with that branch. Create the second. Create pull request. Yeah, the message is fine. I mean, it's my first time. Whatever. Create pull request. Hopefully it'll work on GitHub. Okay, maybe it did it. Usually it changes it, but whatever. And I gotta switch back out to other one, the main one, and this is basically what I'll be kind of getting if that pull request worked. It looked like it loaded, but pull requests. Here, compare. Able to merge. Second one shows me kind of like what changed, sorta. I don't think they actually made the pull request when I did that. I don't think it actually did anything. I don't know why it didn't, but anyways, I basically see the change and then compare and pull. It should show up here for a pull request. I don't know why it's not, but I guess I can make the pull request then. Okay, yeah. And I could do the merging. I guess if you're a user already added to the project, that's sort of what it would look like. Okay, and then it should be merged. Yeah. And the second should be there, yeah. So that's, I mean, one easy way to do it. I mean, the other way you could do it is through the terminal. I just feel like having to hook up all the keys and everything is, I don't know, sort of ridiculous, and it takes a few hours and everything to get all set up. I don't exactly know, because I switched through here, if it'll be the same experience for you or if you have to jump through some hoops or something. If you do, let me know. I can add your user to the project, I guess, if it's really giving you a hard time. But yeah, let me know. And if you have any questions, comment or whatever it is you gotta do, or message me on Twitter. Okay? Thank you.